Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to install Roku on Samsung TV. Let's go. Connect the Roku device to your Samsung TV via an HDMI cable. Open Source. Select Roku. Open Settings. General. External Device Manager. Turn on HDMI CEC. Open Source. Universal Remote. OTT box. Select Roku. You can use the Samsung remote or connect the Roku remote. Select your language. Select your network. Enter your email. You will receive a link to activate your Roku device by email. That's it. Now you know how to install Roku on Samsung TV. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.